In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gumroad account. If you've been contemplating selling your products online with minimal fuss, Gumroad could be the perfect platform for you. Let's dive right into the process of creating your account seamlessly. First, let's head over to the Gumroad website. You can do this simply by typing gumroad.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once there, you're met with Gumroad's homepage, a clean and user-friendly interface that welcomes you to start your selling journey. Now locate and click on the Start Selling button, usually positioned prominently on the homepage. This action will lead you directly to the sign up page, where you'll be able to create your account in just a few simple steps. On the sign up page, you'll notice several options for creating your account. For straightforwardness, today we'll be using the sign up with Google option. It's hassle-free and quick, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Click on the Google icon, which will prompt a new window to open, asking you to choose the Google account you'd like to associate with your Gumroad profile. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the one linked to your online business or products you intend to sell. Once you've selected the right Google account, click Continue to proceed. Behind the scenes, this connects your Google account securely with Gumroad, facilitating a swift login experience in the future. At this stage, you'll also receive an authentication token sent directly to your associated Gmail. It's a critical step for verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your demo setup. Head over to your Gmail, find this email, copy the token provided, and then return to Gumroad. Paste your authentication token into the respective field on Gumroad's page to authenticate your account setup. After pasting the token, click on Login and you will step right into your new Gumroad dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Gumroad account. Now you're all set to proceed to the Getting Started instructions. Gumroad provides a comprehensive guide to help you understand the ins and outs of managing your store, uploading your products, and starting to sell. Take a moment to go through these instructions thoroughly to optimize your storefront. With your account set up and a treasure trove of resources at your disposal, you are now on your way to embarking on the exciting journey of selling on Gumroad. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. For more insights and detailed tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck with your selling journey on Gumroad.